Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to see how to verify your BE365 account. And well, this is very simple. The first thing we need to do is open our browser, and here we're going to type BE365, okay? And we go into the first result we find. After that, what we're going to do here is very simple. We're going to click here where it says login. We're going to log in here. When we log in, here we're going to enter our username and password and click this button to sign in. Once we've successfully logged in, what will then happen here is that this important message will clearly appear, okay? Well, here we're going to click this verify identity button, and here it will ask us to upload an identity document so that the platform can verify us, okay? It's a pretty straightforward and simple process. Once we carefully click right here, a comprehensive array of several distinct options will immediately and clearly appear on the screen so that we can precisely choose and determine exactly how we most effectively want to securely verify our personal identity. And, well, we simply just pick one suitable option, and that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.